One of the biggest pain point of marketing analytics is getting clean set of data. Data comes from various sources. A lot of times when you merge them together, you end up with duplicate records. In this lecture, I will show you how you can quickly spot the duplicates as well as remove the duplicate data so that you can have the clean data to conduct your analysis on. Here I'm in Excel. I have some data that's in front of you. As you can see across these rows, there are some duplicates. You got James Butt. James Butt is right here as well. Microsoft, so you got the email address. Pretty much every element is duplicate. However, when you look at Art Venray, the middle name is missing, right? There is a K here, but there is no middle name. Similarly, when you look at this address and this address, the names are different. First name is different, but the last name is same. So you could potentially consider that as a duplicate as it's the same family. However, you get to decide what you consider duplicate and what you don't. It depends on your business. I'm going to show you quick ways to highlight duplicates. This data set is small, so it's easy to see the duplicates. However, when you have thousands of rows of data, it's very hard to spot the duplicates. So I'm going to show you a quick way of spotting the duplicates and then a way for you to delete the duplicates. So first, you highlight your data. So if it's all the data, you can just select from here, or you can just highlight the columns and you have selected the data. Once you select the data, go to Conditional Formatting and click on Highlight Cell Rules and then go down to Duplicate Values. And then you can choose which color you want the duplicates to be. In this case, they are red with dark red text. You can pick a different color if you would like. Click OK. So right now it's highlighting duplicates in each of the columns. It's not matching across. It's just saying within this column, which ones are the duplicates and which are not. Not very useful, right? So other thing you can do is go ahead and click undo. Now, let's say you know that there are duplicate emails and you want to clean your data based on the email address. In that scenario, you just highlight email column, go to Conditional Formatting, same process, highlight cell rules, duplicate values, and click OK. Now you know these email addresses are the ones that are duplicate. If you want to focus on duplicates only, you can just click on one of these values and go to filter and then filter by selected cell's color. You can filter by the color of the cell. So go ahead and click on it. And here you have the duplicates. So you can analyze those if you would like. If that's not what you want, you can also filter on the non-duplicate ones. So let's go back, click on undo again. And now we're gonna pick this cell, right click on it, filter by selected text color. Now you have the non-duplicate ones. As you're analyzing this data, you might say, well, this seems like a duplicate. It's the same family. You do not want to send both of them an email. In that case, you can decide which column makes it a duplicate. So it could be an address, company name, last name. Once you identify a pattern that looks like to you to spot the duplicates, you can go ahead and remove them. So I'm going to show you how to remove the duplicates. Let's say we figure out that address is a unique way of identifying whether duplicates are there or not. In that case, go ahead and click on undo. You have your complete list again. Go ahead and select your data and then go to the data tab. And in this data tab, there is this icon which says remove duplicates. If your screen permits, then you might actually see a label on this icon which says remove duplicates. If not, then look for this icon which is remove duplicates. Click on remove duplicates. And now it's asking you which columns are the duplicates in. If you select all the columns, it's going to look at the values across and make sure the combination of all those values is unique. So let's say if we leave all this as it is and click OK, then it only found one duplicate. Now I'm going to undo it and go back to my remove duplicates, and I'm only going to pick address. When I do that, it's going to pick a unique address and then remove the duplicates. It's going to keep the first record it finds for that address and remove the second one. So if you look at this record, 123 Street, this record will be gone. 23 Way, this record will be gone. Optician Way Northeast, this record will be gone. 999 Lane, and this record will be gone. So we will be left with top 4 records, because all we are saying is match the address column, and if you find it, that's a duplicate. So go ahead and click OK. It says 4 duplicate values found and removed. There you have it. This is how you remove the duplicate values. Key thing is to find out what defines duplicate for your business purposes. Once you define that, then you can go ahead and remove them. And the way to analyze what defines duplicate is by using the conditional formatting that I showed earlier in this lecture.